Now the radars typically have been the domain of safe navigation, particularly at night time. It's giving you a scan of everything that's around you. But we can see that during the day I've been able to identify boats, but they can be used as a fishing tool also. I simply go into the menu, I swipe up. You see right at the top of the menu here, I've got bird mode. And all I've got to decide on whether it's calm, moderate or rough. I'm going to go for moderate. Now that's set the sensitivity, so I'm not going to get too much wave clutter. Now out here you can see these obvious big targets. They're all the boats out in front of me. Now I can't see any birds with my naked eye. In fact, I can see one out there. And what I'm looking for is a mark with a little blue edge around it and a smudge and a trail behind it. This smudgy little cluster down there could be a cluster of birds. Oh yes, there they are. There they are. How good is that? Look at that. That there is a cluster of birds. This here, the solid target, that's the yacht out there, but in between it, there's a single gannet, and you can just see as it's tracking along there, it's leaving an echo trail. Now that is a single bird and it's only flying a metre off the water, and I can mark it on my radar. Now of course, how that helps us is that birds are with bait fish, and then bait fish are usually with predatory fish. And we've actually got an example that you can watch on ultimatefishing.tv of how we have marked birds with the radar that the naked eye had no chance of seeing. We went over, we picked up the bait fish on the side scan, we turned around with the boat, marked the bait fish on the sounder, and we raised the marlin. It got away, but that's not the point. We found one, which all started from a bird radar. The simplicity of this, if I'm being honest, it's the first time I've even turned it on, and I was trying to explain it. And that was so simple to use and worked incredibly well.